Okay, right now in question B, they said that if D equals to 38 degrees, determine the size of angle BAF. Now, before I can do that, I'm going to do a construction. Now, that construction will be called BF. So I'm gonna draw a line which is called BF. Now, in the question, now in the answer sheet, so I'm gonna say construction code BF, right? And now what I want you to know, remember from our previous question, we determined that angle C1 plus angle D is going to give you 90 degrees. All right, now if I want C1 alone, it's basically going to be 90 degrees minus angle D, right? So it will be 90 minus 38 degrees, which is basically gonna give you 52 degrees. All right, now I'm gonna use a different color. Now after finding that out, I want you to see this. Can you see that if you look at angle BFA and angle C1, can you see that angle BFA is going to be equals to angle C1, right? And the reason for that, it will be 10 chord theorem, because you're gonna go this way, that way, come back there, and then that way. All right, so now I'm gonna say that angle BFA, so angle said I'm gonna use a different color, so I'm gonna say that angle BFA, so angle BFA is going to equals to angle C1, and the reason for that, it will be 10 chord theorem, right? It will be 10 chord theorem. That means that BFA, it will be 52 degrees, right? And then also, can you see that if you look at now the angle of ABF, right? If you look at the angle of ABF, can you also see that angle ABF is gonna also be equals to angle C1, because you're gonna look at it from here, going there, and then going there, and then coming back there. All right, so we're gonna move from this point there, go to that point there, and come over there. So that also is gonna be equals to C1. So we're gonna put a line there. So we're gonna also say that angle ABF, angle ABF is going to equals to angle C1, and the reason for that is also 10 chord theorem. All right, that means that angle C1, angle ABF, it will be 52 degrees. Now can you see now? So now we can say that in triangle, right, in triangle BAF, right? No, let's just say ABF. In triangle ABF, can you now see that that triangle that we are actually dealing with, it's actually an isosceles triangle, because that angle ABF and ABF and angle BFA or angle AFA or AFB, it's equals to 52 degrees. So let me just, so that angle there, it's an isosceles triangle. All right, so for me to find angle BAF, I'm gonna say that 180 degrees minus seeing that those two angles are the same, I'm just gonna say that 2 times angle ABF, right? Because those two angles BFA and angle ABF, they're the same, which is 52 degrees. Then I'm gonna say interior angles of a triangle, right? Then BAF, it should be 180 degrees minus 2 times 52 degrees, And if you do that in a calculator much quickly, so 180 minus 2 times 52, the answer that you get is gonna be 76 degrees. So yeah, in this question, the trick to it, it was basically you doing a construction, and then after doing the construction, the question was going to be now much easier for you to calculate angle BAF. All right.